how to solve the wooden cube puzzle. We will take it apart and then put it back together again. Let's see it in high speed. First off, we need to find the loose piece in the middle. So tap those until you find it. When you find it, push it out, grab it from the other end, pull it on out, and you'll see that two pieces come out. You can separate those and set them aside. Next, we're going to remove the two center side pieces. So you'll slide them back and forth until they come out. You can see I got the first one out on the right side. Now we'll get the second one out on the left side. Next, we'll take the center piece out. So you'll need to slide the center piece to the side, and then it will pull out. Now we're going to take the center pieces out from the top. First the left piece, then the middle piece. Next we'll take out the right side piece from the top. And now it should come apart and you should have all the pieces laying there. Okay, let's put it back together. Grab the two big pieces and put the center pieces, lay them in like this, and then put them together and balance them one on top of the other. Insert the center pieces, first the right piece, and it will be a little bit difficult to hold together. Then get the other center piece and put in. They should be tight together. Then the right side piece. Put those in. Alright. Now hold those so they don't fall apart and get the center piece. And notice that the center piece has a smaller side on the left side, and that is important. If it goes in backwards, it won't be able to slide over top and hold those center pieces together. Okay, now we have that. We're going to put the two side pieces in. Do the right side first. Okay, and then when you get that put in, slide that center piece to the left so you can get the left side in. Then you push them back together. Now we're ready to put the last two pieces together. Get them ready, in position, slide them in, and you have just solved the wooden cube puzzle. Congratulations.